Problem number 11. Just a reminder, you can pause or rewind at any time, and this is one way to solve the problem, not the only way to solve the problem. Alright, so here we go. Haley reads 6 pages of her book in 8 minutes. So we got a ratio there. If she continues reading at the same rate and the amount of time changes by a factor of 5/2, how many pages will Haley read? Or Haley, either one. Alright, so we have pages in minutes. So we do 6 pages in 8 minutes. It wants to know how many pages she would do if it changes by a factor of 5/2. Okay? So if the time, which is minutes, changes by a factor of 5/2, the pages must also change by a factor of 5/2. Because anything you do to one, you must do to the other. So if I said, alright, factors is a number that you're multiplying by 5/2. So I'm doing 8 times 5/2. So 8/1. I'm going to cross simplify to make it easier for myself. 2 goes in here 4. 2 goes in here once. 4 times 5 is 20. Okay? So I'm going to put 20. Oh, so I'm going to go over here and select 20. Oh, no, 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 no. That's 20 minutes. This is our distractor factor. Okay? Because that's 20 minutes, not 20 pages. So anything I do on the bottom, I do on the top. So times 5/2. So I'll have 6/1 times 5/2. I'm going to cross simplify to make it easier for myself. 2 goes in here once. 2 goes in here 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 pages. A is the correct answer. One thing to also think about is that if you got 20 here, then the number has to be less because it's 6 is less than 8. That's one thing you can think about. So when it talks about a factor, the factor is that number that we've been using in our proportions all this time to multiply by. So what are you multiplying by to change that? So the answer to number 11 is A.